Good morning, my dears. My name is Elizabeth. Today we need to choose how I will sew a blanket for my daughter. A question: fabric paint or embroidery? The embroidery machine will embroider and I will color a similar design. Here I have embroidered only the outline of the design. Let's begin. The first thread is red. I take red fabric paint and together we depict a puppy. The next color is turquoise. At the moment, a very interesting watercolor effect has begun to appear. The paint beautifully spreads beyond the outline. I suggest enhancing this and adding water. The next color will be yellow. Next is my favorite purple. Then orange. The last is green. And now in the embroidery design, only the outline remains to be embroidered. I suggest complementing this design. Let's fill the leaves with green paint. Here is this blade of grass in chartreuse color. I add stamens and pistils. I put pollen in the center of the purple flower. I also add small details in the centers of the flowers. I darken the center of the puppy in little. Both samples are ready. Now let's analyze the embroidered design. And this is a design supplemented with pens. I like making the right design, but I like the minimalist left one more. Write your opinion, subscribe the channel, like this video, share it. Love you all. Bye bye.